Thank you for tuning into my channel where you find all about art journals, mixed media, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back to another art journal play in one of those from Ranger, I think it's the Dino Weekly, which has these smooth manila-like papers. And I'm feeling blue. Not really, but I'm going to use a lot of blue. But still, that's going to be my quote, I think. If I do a quote, I'm not sure yet. Anyway, I have poured out some of the paints, and then I'm going to use the dabber to add like splotches of blues. Maybe, maybe not. I'm going to add some green too. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to do collage with this lady here, and I do have this, this is actually the second layer, which did get a lot of the print on too, so I'm going to use that on top of everything, and I may or may not use some blue, that's an envelope, I'm not sure, it shows more grey here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. I'm certainly going to use that, I know that. And I may grab some black in a second too, but let's first start with the background. I have protected my other pages, and let's just dive in and just adding colors. No rhyme, no reason. Okay, put that aside to dry and put my dabber into water until I'm ready to clean it. I'm gonna cut out my lady. Okay, I think the page is enough dry that I can add my napkin, and I'm gonna have to piece it because I want to cover the whole background, and I make sure that I have the more printed side on the at the top. Now I'm going to go outside and use a spray adhesive. So that's the kind of spray adhesive I use. It's remountable. Whenever I want to add a large surface of napkins, I just prefer that. It gives me less wrinkles, and I don't feel like wrinkles today. And I usually go outside with any spraying I do. Oh, that's too small. Seems to be a little bit larger up here. Means I did cut it cricket. Now, of course, that's not enough. I'm still gonna go over with Liquitex matte medium, which makes the page transparent again also. So that's my next step. So the napkin on one part gives a little bit of a patterning going on, but also it gives sort of a haze to the color, which I like. For this thingy here, I mean not all the time of course. So my next step's gonna be I'm gonna use the heat tool to dry it off and get rid of the extra papers, and then I will be back. So I did zoom you in early heavily so you can sort of see what's going on here on my page. And I'm gonna zoom back out again. Here we are. Okay, now I want to add this lady. No, I didn't cut out completely, huh? I don't like those bits here. Now, I thought we're gonna add collage elements. One of those elements is gonna be this gold piece. And because she has her hand here, I need something where she can actually put her hand on. That's why I was thinking about having more collage elements. Yeah, that could work. And let's go down further. And I'm actually thinking maybe I'm gonna use a punch to make it more rounded. Yeah, I like that better. And I guess I'm gonna paint a little bit black to make her a little bit longer. I think that's awful short. I want her like something like that. And she's gonna have like that. And I'm gonna use the leftovers of the page, which are in blues too, just to make more sense to the collage. Don't have a color just in one spot, so I'm also gonna add some yellow, and I'm actually gonna go over to the other page with that. Don't like it. I'm gonna look for some other papers. That's from the same magazine page. I'm gonna use that. That's how I do my collage things. I start at one point, and then when I'm not happy, I'm gonna go for others. Now we're getting there, and I also was thinking about actually having another bigger circle, but that's my biggest punch, so I need something that is bigger, and I'm not good at circles. This is shimmer spray, I'm pretty sure, because it's so shimmery. It's an old piece, and it's probably gonna move around a little bit when I go over with the Liquitex mat, which is okay for me. Okay, now I'm gonna use glue stick for those pieces. It's a dry adhesive, it doesn't wrinkle so much. Okay, here is my glue stick, I don't need that. Let's start with the circles, and I actually need it. I do mark it just lightly so that I have an idea where it's gonna go. So the gold really sticks easily to the finger, so I did rip off a little bit, but I'm fine with that. There's a little bit white here on top, which I want to get rid of. No. I still do have my palette paper here where I have the black and the water on the side, so let's paint her a longer dress. I kind of feel tempted to make her rosy cheeks and lips, and I think I'm gonna use some Tombow marker or Posca pen. Let's start with a Tombow marker. And some rosy cheeks. Now I'm also going to use the Stabilo All to go along her contours. And then I use the water tank brush to spread it a little bit. Now I go along all the collage parts with the, again with the Stabilo All. So I did use the heat tool to make sure that everything is dry now. I feel it's a little bit empty yet, so I think I'm gonna stamp with some black and some found objects. I'm using a scrap piece of paper to spread it out a little bit, so I have like an area where I can put in my Okay, time for markers. I did grab a Posca Black. I have from Sakura the Jelly Roll in white. Not sure if we're going to use that. I also have a Posca Black. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. And I have like a pencil. And I'm really not feeling blue, but I like blue a lot. It's one of my favorite colors. Even in my home you will find a lot of blues and turquoise. So don't worry about me. And I like to, and you probably can't see it, but I can see it. I try to write it down so that I don't make so many mistakes. And as usual, I turn it around so I concentrate more on the shape than on the writing itself. Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick heat blast before I go over and try with the blue Posca pen. See what happens. Oops, that's more than what I wanted. Nah, I don't like it. We are gonna add some splatters here, but I'm not gonna use it for the quote. I'll go over with the black again. Sometimes you have to try out things and figure out whether you like it or not. Let's go to my usual white. Now I have to be careful with all those splatters here. Okay, I think I'm done for today, and if you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give me a thumbs up and leave a nice comment so that others might find it too. I really appreciate any sharing and subscribing, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.